Step 1. Turn off the power. Step 2. Install the plastic mount flange onto the form board at the designated light location using the supplied screws. Step 3. Slide the pre-wired niche pipe over the mounting flange, keeping the wire and plug inside the niche. Step 4. Run the wire tail to a location outside of the concrete for future connection to the main wire. Step 5. Pour concrete into the step form, ensuring the niche stays connected to the mount during the pour. Step 6. Remove the form board with the mounting flange attached, leaving the niche in place. Finish the concrete around the niche, ensuring no concrete gets inside. Step 7. Make wire connections using the pre-wired plug ends. Step 8. Connect the main wire outside the concrete using the supplied wire nuts. For the concrete lights and more, visit us at Tru-Scapes.com.